To learn piano to be better, you have to master these three basic concepts. Even if it's basics, it's not for basic, learners, but it's at whatever level you are, you have to master. In this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly which are those three basic things that you need to master, and that will definitely help you become a better musician. Well, the first important thing that you need to master as a musician, whichever level you are or whatever level you started, definitely need to master this level, and this is rhythm. This is rhythm. Whether it's 4/4 or 1-2-3. Or whether it is like a 6/8. Sounds a bit like classical because I studied with classical, but it's rhythm, or if it is jazz. You need to master rhythm. Everything in the world moves with rhythm. Your heart, the sun. If anything is out of rhythm, the whole world will crash. You need to master rhythm. And it's always good to even start with drums, or at least learn something about drum if you want to learn piano. Even if piano is a rhythmic instrument, okay? When I do this, for example. Rhythm. You need to master rhythm. That will help you with soloing when you're doing the solos, especially with if you want to play jazz. Rhythm is one of the most important things that you actually need to master. Another important element that you need to master if you want to become a great musician is harmony. Harmony. When I say harmony, you have rhythm, you have the harmony that comes from the melody. Okay? Let's say, for example, if I do, let me just play something very simple. I'm gonna play the melody simply, but just added a little spice into it, right? Let's say I have. To put some harmony around this, what I know this is 5-5-6-1-1, and then see, that's this harmony. I just put what is harmony is a combination of different notes, and then they sound pleasing to the ears. Look at this. This is me having the melody, it just puts some harmony around it. So this is important for you to master rhythm, because so you don't go off rhythm, and also the harmony which you put around the melody. And another important things that you need to master is, of course, melody, which will help you play the harmony. All right, so master the melody of the song. I need to know this is 5-5-6-5-1-7. Okay, so with that, I know this is 5, so I could do this. That is if I don't want to be fancy. If I want to be fancy, I'll be. So the harmony and the melody, they both work together. Okay, if I were to sing that, that would be happy birthday to all of you. That I could do if I'm all right. So if I put a rhythm in it, they sound pretty basic as far as elements that you need to learn. The rhythm, the harmony, or the melody, or the harmony, whichever is first. But those are very fundamental. Those are important for you as a musician. You cannot play music without rhythm. It has to be rhythmically correct. That's why you need a good drummer to help you. You have to learn to yourself master. It's important. Every jazz band, every gospel, every pop music, any type, whether it's bossa nova, whether it's salsa, the rhythm is important. And then you have the musician around that sit together with the composer, and then they put a nice harmony around it. Once they have the melody, that would dictate them where the harmony is going. Master these three important concepts. Practice with metronome, that will give you pretty nice rhythm, and also practice in a very consistent manner and very rhythmically correct, and that will definitely help you become a better musician and break that wall. And you're gonna also stop sounding basic. Alright, thank you, subscribe, and leave me comments what you think about this rhythm, melody, or harmony and melody. See you in the next lesson.